Which EU institution is primarily responsible for proposing legislation, implementing decisions, upholding the EU treaties, and managing the day-to-day business of the EU? The European Council B, the European Parliament C, the European Commission D, the Council of the European Union. Correct answer C. Explanation: the European Commission is the EU institution primarily responsible for proposing legislation, implementing decisions, enforcing EU laws, and managing the day-to-day operations of the EU. It acts as the executive branch of the EU, playing a key role in setting the agenda and ensuring the uniform application and observance of EU treaties. Which institution represents the governments of the individual member states and is crucial in the EU legislative process, especially in areas of economic policy and foreign affairs? A. The European Council B, the European Parliament C, the European Commission D, the Council of the European Union. Correct answer D. Explanation: the Council of the European Union, often just called the Council, and sometimes known as the Council of Ministers, represents the governments of the individual EU member states. Its members are government ministers from each country, depending on the policy area being addressed. The Council plays a key role in the legislative process, particularly in economic policies, foreign affairs, and where national interests are more pronounced, by coordinating policies, adopting legislation, and making decisions based on proposals from the European Commission. What is the primary role of the European Council within the EU's institutional framework? A. To act as the Supreme Court of the EU, interpreting EU law. B. To propose and enforce EU legislation. C. To represent the EU to the rest of the world. D. To define the general political direction and priorities of the EU. Correct answer D. Explanation: the European Council defines the general political direction and priorities of the European Union, but does not exercise legislative functions. Comprising the heads of state or government of the member states, along with its president and the president of the European Commission, the European Council sets the EU's policy agenda and addresses issues of significant or sensitive nature that cannot be resolved at lower levels of intergovernmental cooperation. Which EU institution is directly elected by EU citizens and represents their interests at the EU level, acting as a co-legislator in the majority of legislative procedures? A. The European Council. B. The European Parliament. C. The European Commission. D. The Council of the European Union. Correct answer B. Explanation: the European Parliament is the only directly elected EU institution representing the interests of EU citizens at the European level. It acts as a co-legislator alongside the Council of the European Union in many areas under the ordinary legislative procedure, sharing equal power in the creation and adoption of EU legislation and the EU budget. In the context of the EU's Common Foreign and Security Policy, CFSP, which institution plays a leading role in defining and implementing foreign and security policies, including crisis response and strategic partnerships? A. The European External Action Service, EEAS. B. The European Council. C. The Council of the European Union. D. The European Commission. Correct answer A. Explanation: the European External Action Service, EEAS, is the EU's diplomatic service, which works under the authority of the High Representative of the Union for Foreign Affairs and Security Policy to develop and implement the EU's Common Foreign and Security Policy, CFSP, including crisis response operations, defining and implementing foreign and security policies, and establishing strategic partnerships. The EEAS supports the High Representative in ensuring the coherence and consistency of the EU's external action. Which institution's main function is to ensure that EU law is interpreted and applied the same in every EU country, ensuring countries and EU institutions abide by EU law? A. The Court of Justice of the European Union, CJU. B. The European Ombudsman. C. The European Court of Auditors. D. The European Data Protection Supervisor. Correct answer A. Explanation: the Court of Justice of the European Union, CJU, ensures that EU law is interpreted and applied uniformly across all EU countries, holding member states, institutions, and other entities accountable to EU law. It is the judicial branch of the EU, dealing with legal disputes between national governments and EU institutions, as well as cases involving individuals, companies or organizations when their rights under EU law have been infringed. What unique role does the European Committee of the Regions (COR) play within the EU institutional framework? A. It audits the EU's finances to ensure accountability and transparency. B. It represents regions and cities, ensuring their voices are heard within the EU's legislative process, particularly on matters affecting local and regional governance. C. It regulates competition within the internal market, ensuring fair practices among businesses and states. D. It manages the EU's external borders and coordinates immigration and asylum policies. Correct answer, B. Explanation: the European Committee of the Regions, COR, is an advisory body composed of locally and regionally elected representatives from all EU countries. Its role is to ensure that the positions and needs of regional and local governments are considered in EU policy-making, particularly on issues that directly impact regions and cities. The COR can issue opinions on proposed legislation, ensuring that the EU's decisions reflect the realities on the ground in its diverse territories.